How do you add wallpaper in Gmail? It's pretty easy. First, we're going to go to this little gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. That's your settings. About halfway down, we're going to see theme. And so we can adjust this theme by going to View All. And you're going to see a lot of different pictures in here and also different colors that you can use. The other thing that you can do is in the lower left, if you want to upload your own photo, you can do that as well. And so if I want to pick this as my wallpaper, for instance, maybe this forest theme, I can see the changes out here. I'm going to click it again, or if it just goes gray out there, I'm going to hit save really quick. You can see that it didn't put the wallpaper back there, but I noticed that sometimes that little glitch happens. And if you go back to settings and maybe click on the picture again, it should change it, or click on a different photo and then back onto it. Now we've got the picture behind there. So if you run into that glitch, that might happen. And if we go to View All again, we actually have some options here at the bottom where you can do a text background, vignetting, or even blur. So if we click on blur, you can actually blur the background a little bit. You can see how it gets blurrier. So if it's a little too distracting, you can do that a little bit. You can add a vignette, so that makes the corners of the image a little bit darker. And then you've got the text background, so you can choose light or dark as that. As far as the interface of Gmail. So you could choose like a dark theme for that. Now that doesn't change the actual email when you click on it. If you want that to be in dark mode, I have a video on that. I'll leave it in the description. But we can choose light or dark here and then click save. And so we've made some adjustments to our wallpaper here in the back. We've blurred it a little bit so we can see our emails a little bit better. And you can add any photo that you want here in Gmail to add wallpaper to your own personal Gmail.